Hello everyone, this is Rahul SMMA over here. As you know, as I've been talking about this, today I'm pulling out the curtain for the AI automated prospecting system, which we have developed over time and efficiency and with a very good precision. And this solves a very huge problem of basically prospecting people usually a lot of companies and sales people usually spend a lot of time outreaching people and qualifying them, going through their profiles and all of that stuff. But what if I tell you that basically you can automate that whole process and run it in background using couple of systems, and it gives you a fresh sheet and list of data like this one, like as you can see over here, a fresh list and data of people every day or whatever you desire, and it reduces a lot of time for you. Okay, and it eliminates, totally eliminates the manual part of where humans need to put effort. Like it can save up to or more than 10 to 12 hours per week for your team and for each of the sales individual, which you are spending time on outreaching people. So this system specifically like reduces a lot of time and helps your team to get a competitive edge in the market. So what's the best thing about the system? The best thing is like it's totally customizable. Okay, so it's that's the best part about it. Like it's totally customizable up to your preference. Okay, like whether you want it for LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, Twitter, company emails, Facebook groups, Instagram competitors, followers, whatever it is, it can extract data and give you like the initials, the links, the profile IDs, the emails, whatever you are looking for in those sheets, and which you can use to like outreach and reach out to those people. And basically it provides you a huge as competitive edge in the market where most of the people are manually doing stuff, and here you are using AI and chilling. Basically you can have a lot more time other than your competitors, which are like still trying to go through their Facebook profiles one by one, trying to go through their website one by one, and still not getting the whole data. But this one usually eliminates everything. So yeah, that's the beauty of it, like however you want it. So right now I'm gonna be showing you the n8n one and how we are using this. Okay, so let's go, let's check it out. So this is the email scraper, which wait, let me do this. Let me make my screen small so you can see it. Yeah, so over here there are two variations of it, whether you can make it in n8n or make. I prefer n8n because like it's much more cloud based and faster compared to make, and it's paid too, so it's much smoother compared to the free one in make.com. So yeah, so basically as you can see over here, this is the most simple one. There are more complex one out there. This is the most simple system which you can see right now. Like this is the simplest version of the system. It can be much more complicated, much more upgraded, and much more complex compared to this, but this is the simplest system, so my target audience and people can understand, whoever is seeing this, what are the components which we are using in the system. So basically we are using Apify scraper. So as you have heard about Apify, this is like one of the most useful scrapers out here in the market right now. And as you can see over here, basically this is the Apify, and you can go to actors and you can see multiple scrapers which are there, and you can use all of, like according to your needs you can set up like all of whatever you want, like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, email, whatever you want. So basically let's suppose we are going for the Google Map extractor. Okay, and Basically we wanna be like integrating it in make.com or n8n. Okay, let's suppose n8n. So for the n8n part, basically what we are gonna be doing is like we are gonna get the http request over here, and in the http request we are gonna choose the get method, so we get the data from that extractor to our cloud system over there. Okay, for we have to get the API key. I'm gonna show you where you can find the API key. So over here, if you go to the scraper, in this scraper, builds, integration, I think, yeah. Okay, so you go to the use API endpoints. Over here you can see we need to copy this run actor synchronously and get data set item. So over here you can copy this one token and everything. Obviously this is paid, so you can even get started for like with the free version of it, but the paid one works best. So you can copy it and paste it over, let me minimize, and paste it over here. And we need the JSON file, so we can get the JSON file. After we get this, we need the JSON file of that actor. You can go here, and the JSON file is where the system runs. So over here if you go to the input, JSON, and you can see like it's written in JSON language, which is a programming language. So over here you can see the queries, number of people you want to search, like whatever your criteria are, and this is the file which we need to like make it run in that thing. So over here you can see like we have put out the JSON, and basically there is a split, so we can get that JSON file converted into normal like normal language, because JSON language can't be given out to OpenAI modules or the sheet, because it's not a purified data, and we usually purify data over here. So yeah, in the split we usually like so we can purify the data and send it to OpenAI module, which is gonna run through that data and give us out the filter data. So over here if you can see, I've given like this is the name of the module we are using, chat gtp. I mean we are using chat gtp over here, assistant. And over here you can see like this is AI qualifier, and this is the prompt which we are using: help me to qualify people in accordance to the ICP. This should be from like whatever the, I mean whatever your criteria is, you can let us write it down and use the modules and create an I mean create an credential and get it started. So right now I'm going to show you how you can even create an credential. So basically you just need to put out the API key and the organization ID, and then you can like you need credits for it. OpenAI module, OpenAI API, yeah, API reference, platform.openai.com. Okay. Okay, so I create a new one. Copy it. Organization ID. over here. As you can see, this is the organization ID which we need to set up this system, and save. Yeah, you can see my credentials have been successfully given over here, and that's it. Like you can put it out in a sheet, or you can even go a further step ahead, or put it out in your CRM, like go high level, or if you are using it to email. So like I'm gonna show you the system over here and make the similar system which we are using. So if suppose you are using this Apify scraper and you wanna like put this lead out which you get in the sheet, which you get in the dataset ID, to cold email people. Okay, so the most popular cold emailing platforms are suppose Instantly or Smartly. We are using Instantly. So you can like put this out lead to a lead campaign, and like you need to connect your ID, and this whole process, you get the lead, you get this Apify scraper, and then push it out instantly, which where you have the campaigns, and you can directly scrape data and put it out to email people automatically using API models and all of that stuff. So you don't need to do much. It can be done in n8n too, but I don't know the like I think we need to do it through HTTP requests, not directly adding this app, because I think n8n doesn't allow it, something like that. There are multiple variations of it. Yeah, so basically something like this, basically you can automate the whole process. You don't even need to lift a finger up. You can just set out this kind of system and this will do the whole work. You can go steps ahead. You can even add sales navigator or apps like if you're reaching out in LinkedIn, you can use Snov AI, Snov like .io. There are many things which you can use, outreach tools and everything. So basically this is the system which I was trying to show you everyone, and basically that's it. Thank you for being here, and make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss out a video which I post every time. And thank you so much for being with me and part of my journey. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.